Hi guys, today I'm going to show and test this Vansuny 64GB flash drive made out of metal. But before we are going to do the speed test and checking integrity and everything, I'm going to do something which I've never done before with any kind of USB stick, and that's a waterproof test. I've already seen some waterproof micro USB, but never seen a full-size USB-A waterproof. So I'm really excited, and so I'm going to take it out of the box now here. I think we even have some kind of a model name here. And so let's see if we can just cut it out. Yeah, after cutting it's pretty easy to open. Yeah, definitely small, sturdy, beautiful. And so you can see I have normal water here, and here I have the USB stick, and I put it here inside. Yeah, you heard the metal thing. Definitely sturdy. I'm shaking this here a little bit. Let's take it out. And so let's dry it, and of course not only outside but also inside. And by the way, the blue part here is indicating that we have USB 3.0, usually very fast, but we are going to test that here, of course. And after inserting, we can see that we have 58.5 gigabytes free. Of course, that's from the formatting, but it looks like everything is already done, pre-formatted and ready to use. You can see that here. So I'm starting the benchmark test here. So I'll go a little bit closer. You can see the read-write result, and the read with large files has been around 35 megabytes per second, and the write has been around 28 or even also up to 30 megabytes per second, till we got to very small files. So this is a very good result, I would say, for such a USB stick. And as a comparison that you see that this USB stick is really fast, I've compared it with a SanDisk, and the SanDisk you can see with this solid green and solid red, and especially the writing is way below of this Vansuny USB stick. But also the reading speed of the SanDisk is almost everywhere below of the Vansuny. So you can see again the two sticks, the SanDisk here and the Vansuny, which is definitely faster. And with the Crystal Disk I got even higher values, so if you're using a different program you can get even probably higher values than this one here. Also depends on the file size, of course. And now I finished the integrity test, and you can see it says test finished without errors. So there's absolutely no scam, no cheat, no nothing. Everything original, good quality storage. We have also the read and writing speed again here. Okay, now we are going to the last test. I have downloaded a large video file that's more than 100 megabytes. I'm just pulling it here over, and you can see how fast it's copying here. It's already finished. And now what we are doing, I'm just pulling this thing out, and because yeah, it's supposed to be waterproof and magnet proof and shock proof and heat proof and everything, I just dump it here into the water, move it here around a little bit so water could go in. If it wasn't waterproof, water would go into this stick for sure. So I'm taking it out again, blow out the water here, because of course we don't want to damage the PC. And so let's push it here inside, and we double click on the video, and you can see everything's working nicely. The whole video definitely fast, playable, no errors, no problems, no nothing. So absolutely amazing. I haven't seen such a stick till now. So it worked awesome for me, and I'm absolutely sure it will work the same way for you. So if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope we're able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.